goosebumps! You are an evil guy!
Just one word.
Oh my god! That's sick!
Mentalism is the combination of the five senses to form the illusion of the sixth sense.
I believe mentalism is a form of magic that uses the capabilities of the mind to achieve what normal, conventional magic can achieve.
Mentalism is like using psychologically persuasive techniques. And these techniques, according to Darren Brown, are the combination of psychology, suggestion, hypnosis, body language, magic, and showmanship.
Hello to you.
Hi. Here are papers. Okay. Wag niyo
They gave us like post-it size paper.
You have a drawing in your head right now, yes? Now, I want you to draw it. Tignan natin kung gaano kalaki yung ano ninyo, bond ninyo sa isa't isa.
Here's a pen.
Huwag niyo muna ipapakita sa isa. After drawing it, huwag niyo muna ipapakita.
Yeah. But it's the closest thing I draw, but it's
May I
not
see
the
your
same.
drawing?
Can I see his
Okay,
drawing?
great. What about yours? Can I see?
Can I let him see it too?
No, just me.
Okay.
Wow. This is weird.
Weird.
Can you show each other?
Damn!
We're not gay!
We're not gay!
We're not gay!
I'm a straight guy!
What's with you? Another gun, wow.
Oh,
You should kiss, you should kiss!
No!
Okay, Totado, I want you to think of a word. Just
Word.
just one word. One word.
Okay.
And it is important that you look at me. Look at me.
Look at me. It doesn't turn me to gay, right?
No, it's
Rats with me, get eyes to eyes with the
With the
man.
man.
You're gay. How long can I make it this?
Okay, now, I want you to think of your word.
Okay.
Think how long the word is. It is a short word, yes?
Yeah, it's a short word.
Very short word.
Very.
4 letters.
Damn, you're right.
Yes, okay. Now think of a word, a letter inside that word.
Think of a letter.
Inside that word, is it you first thought of E then R?
Yeah.
Yeah? E and then R, yeah?
Yeah.
Now think of the whole word. Okay, good. Thank you for that. You're thinking of the word hero.
Damn! This guy is good. It makes me goosebumps.
Now that's key.
Guys, bending some metal.
Bending real time.
Yeah.
That's for you. That's for you.
Bend some more.
That's for you. You can get it.
You are an evil guy!
Hi guys. Hi, how are you? Hi bloggers.
Hello,
How are
hi.
you? I'm Justin. I'm going to do a psychic phenomena called remote viewing. So remote viewing is seeing through someone else's eyes. So first, I want you to check my coins. Ilalagay ko sa socket ng eyes ko mamaya para talagang hindi na ako makakita. So please check it kung may butas or something. So I'm going to put the coin sa socket ng eyes ko and please put that pa ganon. There you go. So make sure na nakadikit sila all intact. Please, one of you take out any item. This is small. Yes?
Yes.
Cap for something.
Yes.
Cap, think of kung anong klaseng cap siya. Cap for a camera?
Yes.
For camera, yes? Please, tignan mo kung ano, kasi maraming tatak ng cameras. Please tignan mo yung tatak.
Okay.
Is it Canon?
You're freaking me out. Yeah.
You did a great job. I think you are trying to fool me. Hindi ka naglagay ng peso bill.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's blue. Yeah?
Yes.
Think of the denomination. It's 5.
Yes.
There's a letter and a serial number, yes?
Yes.
Is there a letter A?
Yes.
Is there a letter N?
Yes.
Is there a letter Y?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Number 7? Number 0?
Yes.
Number 9?
Yes.
Number 6?
Yes.
Number 0?
Yes.
And number 5.
Whoa.
You did a great job. Now, why don't you think of a word? Think of any word. Do you have it? Can I borrow your hand? Okay. Think of your word. Okay, this is weird. Does it start with the letter P?
Yes.
Yes. Ends with the letter S?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Is this you? Parang part ba siya ng life mo?
Yeah, in some way.
In some way, yeah. Pisces?
Like, that's the word I'm thinking of.
Oh, thank you. Here, can I borrow your hand? Think of the last letter. Letter D?
Yes.
There's a letter S. Yeah? No. Okay. Letter T. I'm sorry, letter T?
Yes.
Okay. Letter A, letter R.
Yes.
Ratified?
Yes.
Great.
Hinulaan niya serial number. Although he missed one number, pero astig. Nahulaan niya ANY 709.
I kind of got freaked out. Seriously, like goosebumps all over. Mind blowing. But the word, I don't know. I can't even group for the word.
I'm Dr. Willie Ong. This is my wife, Dr. Alisa Ong. So we're both doctors.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Quatec Time Medical Museum. Ini-invite namin kayo na pumunta dito. Nagko-collect din kasi kami ng mga old medical stuff para makita naman ng mga young ones natin.
Doc.
Yes.
With your eyes closed, I want you to imagine na nandun ka sa time na sinusulat mo yung mga words, yung mga letters, yung mga sentences, yung mga chapters. Now, Doc, you have a number in mind, yes?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Can you please tell me what that number is?
Any number?
Yung at the back of your mind.
43.
Now, look at the first word.
Yeah.
Yeah, so remember the first word. Now, I'm going to close it. Hold this tightly. Close your eyes again. Now, I want you to go back to that time na sinusulat mo yung book. And then, yung memory na sinusulat mo yung book, I want you to parang i-gather mo siya. Imagine this. Ilagay mo siya sa empty box. Empty box inside your room. Ipasok mo lahat ng memory na yon. Close that box and put it inside your memory closet. Okay? Now, when I snap, I want you to open your eyes. Okay, now put the book down. Do you swear with your... nakita mo talaga siya?
Nakita ko
Nakita mo,
lahat.
okay. I want you to open to page 43 now. Like what I told you earlier, I did something with the book. Actually, there is no page 43. What I did is like this. Binalik kita sa state ng mind mo habang sinusulat mo tong book na to. Binalik ko yung memory mo habang sinusulat mo yung book na yan, na you saw the illusion of that page. I sent a package, diba? A letter. I sent a letter. Maybe 2 days ago, yes? You received this. I want you to open this package. So sealed pa siya, never pa siya nabuksan. I sent that 2 days ago. Punitin mo na.
Ay, salamat natin na.
Look at the package. Nakaseal pang isa.
Hirap
And nakaseal ulit.
Talagang hindi mo magagawa to sa harap namin.
Parang love letter.
And please take it out. Open it. Check if it's page 43. Let's go back to
Galing.
43. And please to make sure, check if it fits.
Oo nga, kung sila nga yung partner.
It fits.
Sila
Galing
nga.
ka. Ako, very amazed ako dito sa trick niya. Paano niya nahanap itong page.
Isa lang talaga yung problema ko para ma-force or masabi ko subconsciously kay Doc kung ano yung page na dapat niyang tignan. Merong part doon na nag-buckle ako. I want you to open yourself like a page in a book. For 3 seconds, so that's 43. So in his mind, parang I fed the number 43. Kaya it's a skill na you can learn eh. Katulad sa pagkuha ng loob din ng isang tao. Pwede mo siyang gamitan ng power suggestion. Actually, if you look into my eyes right now, you will be addicted to this show. My name is Justin. I'm a mentalist. Everybody please look at my hand. And when I snap and do this, I want you to forget your names. Now, what's your name? What's your name? Now again, look at my hand. As I open my hand, I want you to remember your names. Now, what's your name? 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 Okay, what's your name? Okay. Now I know that you are ready for this. Now when I snap, I want the three of you to slowly imagine a chicken na pumapasok sa loob nyo. And when I clap my hands, I want the three of you to cluck like a chicken. 1, 2, 3, go. Remember when I told you earlier na I know what's on your mind? Close your eyes. Good. Now imagine yourself nasa isang situation. Maybe in the past. Maybe this is a happy moment. You've been thinking about this for quite some time now. Now I want you to imagine that. Now slowly put your hand down and open your eyes. Now please tell me if I'm right or wrong. In that place, were you in Global City? Yes? Can you please think of the date? Is it March 23?
Yes.
Yes. And tell me, who is Jason? No? Gerald or something? No. Joey. Who is Joey?
Nag-interview sa akin.
You did a very great job. You may go back. Okay, cosplayers, you did a very great job. And I hope I'll see you again. Papara kami ng taxi para magbayad ng blank papers. Na kung paano ko gagawin yon, gagamitin ko yung mga skills ko as a mentalist para isipin ng driver na this is just an ordinary money. So instead of blank papers, isipin niya na pera talaga to. So let's see kung magagawa ko. Wish me luck. Manong sa Cubao lang. Yan kuya. Diyan na lang kami sa kanto pag-isipin ng pang. Pakitabi na lang. Pakitabi na lang dun sa kanto. Yan sa blanco. Ito kuya, magkano ba? Isang daan. Salamat. Kung nakita nyo, sinuklian pa ako ni Manong. Ang bill namin is, ang binayad ko kanina is, sinabi ko, 100. Ang nasa metro is 70. So binigyan niya ako ng 20. Tingin ko, na-hypnotize ko siya, dinagdagan pa niya ng 100. Ngayon, subukan namin habulin si Kuya kasi baka biglang bumalik na yung senses niya. We're here at the 23rd Awit Awards and subukan natin kung ma-mystify ko with my telekinesis ang mga local OPM artists. As we all know, hindi ako psychic. I do not have supernatural abilities or superpowers. Pero meron akong susubukan ngayon na sinasabi ng mga psychic na tawag nila is telekinesis. So telekinesis is the movement of object using only your mind. But right now I'm gonna do something different. So I have coins here actually. So I wanted to check them. Those are real coins. Real coins. Okay, choose one. This one, the middle. Okay. Like that. Now, as I said earlier, I'm gonna try to move objects using my mind, okay? But first, check my hands. If it's fishy or something. No. Okay, good. Focus on the coin.
Okay. That's hurt, didn't it?
Hurts. Now let me try to move those. I have a few keys here. I want you to check this one too. This one too. I want you to concentrate with your mind.
You broke the key.
Yeah.
You're not coming to my house.
Well, actually, that's my key, so I cannot enter my house anymore.
Oh Lord. You better have a spare.
Yeah.
Yes, bro.
Real? Okay, now I wanted to focus on the numbers on the watch. Okay, focus on it. Now I want you to think of one. Think of one. Okay, what is it? 12, which is this, yes? Now, I wanted to focus on this hand, the second hand. Now I wanted to focus on 12, okay? When the second hand goes to 12, I want to say stop in your mind, okay? Just say stop in your mind. Now let's wait for it to go to 12. Okay, a few seconds. Just say stop, okay? Concentrate and say stop. Now I want you to look at the watch. Now it's going to 12. In your mind, just say stop. Now, are you saying stop in your mind? Now say go.
Go. Ah, that's sick. Watch out, y'all. I'm gonna be a house and break your forks.
Just one word.
Just one word. Okay. Tao ba to?
Hindi.
Bagay.
Oo.
Maliit.
Hindi.
Malaki. Nagsimula sa letter F. What is your word? What is your word?
Building.
Tao ba to? Bagay? Pangyayari? Kain? Nararamdaman mo ba to? Nakikita mo ba to? Okay, what is our word?
Siksik. Oh my god!
Great. You did a great job.
It was amazing. It was interesting. It's right up in your face, so you really can't see how the tricks are being done, but it was interesting. Better than an illusionist, but it's up front in your face, so it's cool. It's really cool. It's entertaining. Unique gift. Unique gift.
That's how you do mentalism.
Tinidor, to twisted hell?